What's going on, guys? If you want to delete your Facebook account permanently and right now, this is the only video you need to watch. I'll walk you through the exact steps directly from the Facebook app. Make sure you follow carefully and don't skip any steps, because one wrong tap can stop the deletion process. All right, let's get started. Open your Facebook app on your smartphone, tap on your profile icon. Now tap the hamburger menu. Go to Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. On the next screen, tap on this section again to continue. Now go to Manage Account, then tap on Manage. Select Deactivation or Deletion and choose your Facebook account. You'll now see the Deactivating or Deleting your Facebook account screen. By default, Deactivate Account is selected. Change it to Delete Account, then tap Continue. Tap Continue again. Facebook will now ask for a reason for leaving. Select any reason from the list and tap Continue. Tap Continue one more time. Next, Facebook will show you what information will be deleted. Scroll down and tap Continue. Now enter your Facebook password to confirm this action. Tap Continue one last time. Finally, tap on Delete Account. Facebook may take up to 30 days to fully delete your account. Until then, your account will no longer be visible online. And that's exactly how you delete your Facebook account forever. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell icon so you don't miss more helpful videos like this. This is Ali Khan. I'll see you in the next one.